This dance is called Drink, Drank, Drunk. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 tag. So we're starting on our right foot. Step your right back diagonally to the right, touch the left beside the right. Step the right diagonally forward to the left towards 10:30, touch your right beside the left. You're now going to shuffle forward to the diagonal, but you're actually going to be facing 12 o'clock whilst you do this. So it's a step, pose, step. Touch the left beside the right. Step the left back, hitch the right. Now as you hitch the right, you slap your knee with your left hand. Step down forward on that right, flick your left behind as you slap the heel with your right hand. Big step back on the left, rock back on the right, recover. So there's a lot of steps in that section, which means there's a lot of hand counts in this dance. So let's just do that once more. Back touch off on that right. I will keep the pace down to start with and we'll speed it up later. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8. Back, touch, step, touch, right, shuffle, touch, back, hitch, step, flick, back, back, rock. And remember, slap your knee with the left, slap the foot with the right, if you can. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Chase half turn. So step forward on the right, pivot a half turn left, step forward on the right. And on a full triple turn, travelling forwards. Now if you don't wish to do this full triple turn, you can just run forward, left, right, left. Otherwise, you're going to make half a turn right as you step back on the left, half a turn right as you step forward on the right, step forward on the left. Finish this section off, rock forward on the right, recover. So I will demonstrate that full triple turn whilst we're doing the walkthrough and then teach. I will actually be doing the non-turning run, run, run option when the music is on, but I will still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. So that section once more then. Walking forward up on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward, rock. Let's add that to the top. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8. Back touch, step, touch, right, shuffle, touch, back, hitch, step, flick, back, back, rock, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward, rock. Into some toe struts, travelling backwards. So we're going to do 3 of these. Right toe strut going back, left going back, right going back. Into a coaster step off on that left foot. Coaster step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into a sailor step, but with a heel. So we're doing that behind, side, touch that right heel forward to 7:30. On the hand count, we're bringing the feet back together again. So that section once more then. Toe struts, going back, right foot leading. 7, 8. Back strut, back strut, back strut. Coaster step, forward rock, side rock, sailor, heel and. Let's add that to the top. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, step, touch, right, shuffle, touch, back, hitch, step, flick, back, back, rock, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, side rock, sailor, heel and. So having just brought the feet back together, we're going to touch the left heel out to the diagonal to 430. Bring the left back beside the right. Touch the right behind the left. Step the right to the side. Touch the left behind the right into a vine with a quarter turn to the left. Side, behind, quarter. Stomp your right foot forward. Bounce the heel 3 times. Stomp the left foot forward. Now this time you're going to bounce both heels whilst making half a turn to the right. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So that final 3 bounces makes half a turn to the right. So that last little section then. Heel and into those toe touches behind. So left heel forward. 7, 8. Heel and touch, side, behind, turn, stomp, bounce, 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 stomp, bounce, bounce, bounce. Now you'll work out the position of your feet on that final stomp, bounce, 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 because that gets you to the end of the dance. You have to then step back on that right foot. So let's put it all together. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, step, touch, right, shuffle, touch. Back, hitch, step, flick, back, back, rock, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back touch, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, side rock, sailor, heel and touch, side behind, turn, stomp, bounce, 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 stomp, bounce, 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 and you're ready to start again with your back touch. So like I said, there's a lot of hand counts in this dance, so I will now go through the counts so you can picture for yourself where they are. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So I did say no round counts, but that is your dance. Now the music is a little bit faster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo wall 1. I'm just going to pick up the pace a little bit and then we'll carry on around the other 3 walls. So we get to do all 4 walls. And then I'll tell you about the tag. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8. Back touch, step touch, right shuffle, touch, back hitch, step, flick, back, back rock, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back touch, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, side rock, sailor, heel and touch, side behind, turn, stomp, bounce, 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 stomp, bounce, 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 back, touch, step, touch, right shuffle, touch, back, hitch, step, flick, back, back, rock, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, sailor, heel and touch, side, behind, turn, stop, bounce, 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 stop, bounce, 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 back, touch, step, touch, right, shuffle, touch, step, back, hitch, step, flick, back, rock, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, sailor, heel and touch, side, behind, turn, stop, bounce, 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 stop, bounce, 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 back, touch, step, touch, right, shuffle, touch, back, hitch, step, back, rock, step, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, sailor, heel and touch, side, behind, turn, stop, bounce, 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 stop, bounce, bounce, bounce. I don't think I'm going to be calling all of that out when we put the music on. Now there is a little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 2. Quite simply, it consists of the beginning and the end of the dance. 6 sound counts to the tag. So you will be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do it. So you start the dance off with your back touch, step, touch. That's the start of your tag as well. You end the dance with your stomp bounces. That's how you end the tag. So you stomp the right forward, bounce 3 times, stomp the left forward, bounce 3 times, making half a turn, gets you back to 12 o'clock. And you start all over again. So let's just put that tag together. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back touch, step, touch, stomp, bounce, 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 stomp, bounce, bounce, bounce. Start again with your back touch. The counts literally are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. So the tag comes at the end of wall 2. So let's have a go at wall 2, which is our 9 o'clock wall, and add the tag on the end and do our restart. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back touch, step, touch, right, shuffle, touch, back, hitch, step, flick, back, rock, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, sailor, heel and touch, side, behind, turn, stomp, bounce, 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 stomp, bounce, tag, back, touch, step, touch, stomp, bounce, 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 stomp, bounce, bounce, back, touch, step, touch. So you can see how it adds up. So that is your dance, that is your walkthrough, and your tag information. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Back touch, step, touch, right shuffle, touch, back, hitch, step, kick back, walk, step, full turn, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, side rock, sailor, heel and touch, side behind, turn, stop, bounce, stop, bouncing, back touch, step, touch, right shuffle, back hitch, step, kick back, quick, walk, step, full triple turn, forward rock, back strut, coaster, step, forward rock, side rock, behind, side, heel and touch, side behind, stop, bounces, tag, back touch, step, touch, stop, bounces, back touch, step, touch, right shuffle, back hitch, step, back rock, walk, step, coasted step, full triple turn, full drop, back step, coasted step, full drop, side drop, send it, heel out, in the line, touch, stop bounce, back touch, step, shuffle, back touch, step, back on, walk, step, full triple turn, full drop, back step, coasted step, full drop, side drop, send the heel out, touch, line, back twist, and touch. Walks, back struts, two heels, bounce,
made me drunk. Oh, you might as well go and give me another one. I told you it ain't my fault.
Hope you managed that one.